Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 handy little features available in Zoom that you might be overlooking, one of which I was overlooking until a couple of weeks ago. Let's go ahead and take a look here. So a couple of weeks ago, I sent out a blog post in which I mentioned that Zoom didn't have built-in captions, and everyone emailed me back and said, Richard, you're wrong. And everyone was right. So how do you find the caption function in Zoom? Go to your settings over here on the left-hand side, go into In Meeting Advanced, and then select Closed Caption. You can turn that on or turn it off, or back around the other way. And you can say Save the Captions to allow participants to save the captions and transcripts. Now, I should tell you, I've been using this with my students lately, and the captions are not always terribly accurate, so just be aware of that. It's still a feature that's in development right now. So that's the first one. Next, let's take a look at some of the other things you can do when you're in the meeting itself, including using virtual backgrounds. So you can see here I have some default virtual backgrounds that are in place, but we're going to launch a meeting and see how these things actually work in real life. So here I am in my Zoom meeting. You can see I've launched my meeting. I'm the only person participating in my meeting right now. We can see there's our live transcript. Let's go ahead and enable those and turn those on. And we'll see they're really small down there. So let's adjust those captions. So let's go in here to our subtitle settings, and we can increase the size of those captions by dragging and dropping this little slider here. So now we have medium-sized captions. You can see I can make them even larger. Now, while I'm here, let's take a look at a couple other neat things you can do in your Zoom meeting. Let's go to Background and Filters. You can see there's my background that I'm using right now, but maybe we want to add a different one. Well, let's go in and add an image. You can also add a video. I should warn you that if you add a video, sometimes the video can make your computer a little bit laggy. So let's add another image, and let's say in this case I'm going to use this one. And there's my new background. Now, the last little thing I want to show you that's kind of cool is in the video filters. Now, video filters lets you do things like this. Apply this television frame around me. So now it looks like I am in my old school television hosting my Zoom meeting. Obviously, it's cut off a little bit of my head, so I need to shrink down, but you can see my captions are still going there. Now we can change out those video settings again. Let's go in and choose a different video filter. You can see we have some other fun ones around here. You can do those. And we also have things like a pizza party hat to put on myself in my meeting. But I'm kind of partial to this old school television border. So that's a few things that you can do in Zoom that you might be overlooking, kind of like I was overlooking for a little while. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.